Hello all, today we will prepare meatloaf. Therefore we need 500 grams of minced meat, 100 grams of bread, 1 small onion, 1 garlic, 1 small glass of milk, 1 egg, a teaspoon of concentrate tomato, 1 teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper. So for this we begin to cut the bread in small pieces. I put it in my robot, but you can put it in a plate and do it with your hands. Then you put the milk inside, you mix everything. I will then chop in small pieces my onion and I add it to the milk and the bread. I add the egg. I peel my garlic and I chop it in small pieces too. I add it. Then I just still have to add the tomato concentrate, paprika, salt, pepper, and the minced meat. I take a plate to go in the oven. And when it's mixed, I fill my plate with the preparation. You can fill it good and high. You can put more than the plate, yes, you see, because it will reduce a little bit with the baking. And you put it in the oven for 1.5 hours at 150 grades. And then it's done. Just have to eat it. Enjoy your meal. And don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel by clicking on the link on the screen for other recipes. See you. Bye bye.